Guys, please tell me what's wrong with this car when the both lights are burned in the same time. Even the turn right signal is burned. Now I want to change the bulb. I don't know if this is fit. This is the model, but I don't know what's wrong with this car. Three bulbs burned in the same time. How can I explain this? Let's see how we can change the bulb there. Please don't tell me I need to take off the headlight for that, because there is the cap of the bulb, and I don't see space. I need to take off the headlight for that. My goodness. What can I say? I will take off the headlight. Okay, so first I will take off the socket, squeeze this pin and pull back. Here you have two bolts with T30. I hope it's only these two. And another one here. Anyway, I have enough space here. And this is the bulb. Yeah, it's good. Because this guide here, it's not parallel. One it's upper, this one. You see? Okay, now push here inside and rotate to the right. After that, put it back in headlight and rotate to the left. Now you can put back the headlight. It's a little bit hard with one hand, but not impossible. First I want to test to see the light it's work, even the headlight too. Headlight on, turn signal right. Okay, it worked. Alright, look. Good. When the turn signal light it's burned, you have fast blinking, pick there, and here you will have light on the dash. Okay, now I will tie back the bulb, the bolt, sorry, the long one here. Put the headlight in line with the fender. Okay guys, that's it. The turn signal board. Bye. 4K generation 2.